Yeah, Lolo, yes, I welcome you all to my channel. I'm Crypto Lord. You can call me Arbitrage Lord. Yeah, so today I'm here to introduce the crypto AI bots. If you're new to it, I'm here to introduce it to you. But if you're already using it, yeah, you can testify to it that like it's making people money and it's making you money. Yeah. So let's dig through it. Yeah. So if you need these boats, if you need these boats, like the link is in my description. You can also find the link down there. Yeah. At first I was selling the links, but the thing is I search for the let's say the boats on my own and it's making me money and I wanted to sell it so that when you get it you can also make good use of it. But it seems when people buy it from me, they later come and worry me, oh bro, I did that, this, I did that, so I'm not selling it again. The link is there. Yeah. So yeah. So like right now you can see that I'm on a premium account. Yeah. So let me show you one thing. These boats, some people say that okay, so like this boat will make you money. How can this boat enjoy? So I want to start everything from scratch for you to see. Yeah. So this boat help you make money, but when you want to close your account, this boat take 8% from your capital. That's when the boat make its own money from you. Yeah. So let's see. So if you open your account and you want to withdraw, you have to copy your BEP20 address. So this is it. Copy the wallet address below, send USDT to this address, enter the transaction hash and amount, submit for admin approve. So you copy this one, go to your crypto wallet and you deposit the money on it. So after depositing the money on it, then you come here, enter the amount you deposit, let's say 2,000. Then over here, you can even paste your own BEP20 address over here and submit. After submitting it, you see that it will reflect in your regular wallet like this. So I just deposit 5,000 in my account. Yeah, I was having 73 over there and I deposit 5,000. I wanted to be in the premium account. So when you deposit, like automatically you'll be in a VIP account, that's basic account, silver account, gold account, or premium account. Depends on the account that you want to be. Yeah. So if I come, you can see that. So the silver account is from 30 USDT to 90 USDT. The gold account is from 100 to 4,999, and the premium account is what 5,000 to 10,000 plus, right? So the premium account is unlimited. That one, it doesn't have any expiry dates or days compared to the gold and the silver. Yeah. So but you can start small. Yeah. So if I come here, you can see that right now there's no need for me to worry myself that I have to was compound it in order to always be in a VIP and stuff. Yeah. So this one, if I be in the 5,000 account, I'll be making more money and I'll be cashing out. So this is how it is. So right now I'm on a premium and it's unlimited. So if I want to start trading, I will come here. Over here, I already have 1,218 in my crypto arbitrage, but I have to transfer this 5,000 to here so that I'll be making more profit or more returns. So I'll just come here, regular to arbitrage, that's free. So I'll 5,073. Then I'll click on what to transfer. So I've transferred it and you can see that it will be here. So right now my arbitrage wallet is for 6,291. Yeah. So I'll come here. If I want to trade, I will enter 6,291.61. I will select all the exchanges, then I will execute trade. So it means that per every trade, I'll be earning 62.92 USDT per every trade. And they both trades 2 times for me. So yeah, so you can see that right now I've click or I've initiated a trade and it's doing the initializing. That's when the bot connects to all the exchanges API. Yeah. So it will connect to all the exchanges API. Yeah. So you can like close the bot, attend to anything that you are doing, and when it's done, it will add up. Yeah. Yeah. So it will add up. So this one I can build this account to 10,000 accounts. So that's when we do compounding. Yeah, when you're done with all your trade, you transfer the money from your regular wallet to arbitrage wallet to do compounding. Yeah, so that you'll be making more returns. You see, you have to be smart in this business, bro. Yeah. So you can see that it's doing the initializing. Yeah. So it's connecting to exchanges. It's connecting all the exchanges here. Yeah. So you have to be what? You have to be patient. Yeah. You can watch it or you can close it. Yeah. So when you're done with every trade, you can also withdraw your money anytime you want. You can withdraw your money from the boat anytime you want. Some people were asking me, oh, bro, this one, is it legit? This one, like, bro, we all take risk. And one thing is that this one, people have been using this one for more than 2 years. I saw this one, I think, early last year, you see. So people have been using more than 2 years and it's still existing. So if you ask me, I will tell you it's legit because people have been using it more, and it's, to me, I've already made more profit from it as well. Yeah, so just do it, bro. Yeah, so you can see that right now it's doing the preheating. The preheat is when the boat is warming up connection and fetching live prices. So this is what we call it signals. So the boat is searching for signals, where to buy it low and where to sell it high in order for the user to what make profit. That's why I'm saying that crypto arbitrage, when it comes to crypto arbitrage bots, it's very easy for it to search for signals because we already have signal bots that already do that work. It's nothing. Yeah, so it's there. Yeah, it's not like forex trading and crypto trading. This one, buying it low and selling it high is very easy. Yeah. So right now it's doing the preheating. It's doing the preheating, and my expected profit is what 62.92 USDT. That's dollars. Yeah, that's the money I'm expecting. And if you're finding anything difficult on the platform, you can click here, and it's live chat. You can live chat them. Yeah, live chat the support team, and the support team will get back to you, and you will chat them. They respond fast and everything is perfect. Yeah. You see that right now, it's searching for the live activities. That's the live prices, where to buy it low and where to sell it high. So I want us to go wait and go through together so that you see how everything is done, the process. Yeah, and people don't know how to deposit. So the deposit is, you come here, you copy this BP20 on your wallet, then you go to your exchange, you deposit. When you're done depositing, then you come to the box again, enter the amount you deposit here, and here you can enter your BP20 address over here, and you click on submit, and it will reflect in your regular wallet. So when it will reflect in your regular wallet like this, you have to transfer the money from the regular wallet to what arbitrage wallet. That's where you can use it to trade. So if you want to do that, you come down here, you see that we have regular wallet to arbitrage. Then you take that one, come down here, enter the amount, and you transfer it. So if you transfer, it will be in your arbitrage wallet here. And if you come down here, you'll see it and you prompt it and it will trade for you. So right now I'm in trade. So it's doing the arbitraging. That's when it executes buy or sell orders across exchanges. Yeah, so it's buying and selling. Yeah. It's buying and selling. That's how the bot is that. the boat does. Yeah, it's buying and selling, buying and selling. Buying it low and sell it high. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high. Yeah, that's how it is. Yeah. So just simple like that. So right now, me, I'm on a premium account. So the premium account is unlimited. So I can use this boat till total. I'm using it till total. So, Charlie, over here we don't give up. Yeah, we don't give up over here. So it's doing the arbitraging for me. So I have to wait for it to be done. Yeah. So I have to wait for it to be done. Yeah, so it's doing the arbitrage for me. Yeah. So when it's done, then it will finalize everything and it will credit in my regular wallet and I can withdraw it straight forward. I can withdraw it. People who are using the boat can testify to it. They're making money from it, bro. Day in, day out, they chat me and be like, yo, bro, you are draw, bro. You're really making Mr. Latin. Yeah. So it's still doing the trade. Yeah. And people were saying that, so if this one is accurate, why is it always giving you like accurate, like let's say the same returns? Yo, this one is a bot. The bot says that when I trade for you, I'll be giving you this amount. If the bot makes more than that, it will still give you the amount. Your what you have to think is that you're making your money. That's it, bro. That's it. If the bot is using your money to trade and giving you profit, all you have to do is what? Waiting for your profit. That's all matters. Yeah. So executing buy or sell order across exchanges. It's still doing it. Yeah. So when it's done, then it will attend to the final stage. That's what's the finalizing. Yeah. Yeah, and you can see that the premium is different. The premium interface is different from the normal, the basic and gold and silver. The premium have different interface. Like you can see that we have premium VIP, premium. So it means that if you have this account, that means you are a VIP. I'm a VIP. I'm a premium member. Yeah, I'm a premium member, bro. So you can see that it's done and it's doing the it's confirming transaction and calculating profit. Yeah. So this when the bot gives you the amount you are expecting. So let's imagine that the bot made more than that, but the bot will calculate everything and transfer the amount it told you that it will give you. So what you have to expect is what the amount it promised you. It's that thing. Yeah. So if the boat made more than that with your money, you will still be getting that. So it's done. Boom. I've seen it. So right now I have 63.01 in my USDT regular wallet now. And I can withdraw this money anytime I want. Yeah. So let me enter the final trade again. So when I come here, I will enter the amount that's 6291.61. I'll select all. Then I will execute arbitrage trade. So it will go through the same process again. And when it's done, it will add up to here. Yeah, and after that I'll compound it. I will transfer that money into arbitrage so that my next trade the next day I will be earning more profit. I want to start making more than $1,000 a day. Yeah, so I have to rebuild or rebuild my arbitrage wallet. Yeah, so that I'll be making more money. Yeah. So it will pass through the same process that it passed through doing the first trade. Yeah, the same thing. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. I'm Crypto Lord. And this bot, if you are busy type, I recommend this bot for you. It will make your trading journey very easy and soft, at the same time help you make money. But if you have time to trade, yeah, go in for the manual one. That one you can trade more than twice a day. Yeah. But if you are busy type, just go in for the bots and make good use of it. Yeah, I'm Crypto Lord and I'm out.